the military teletype I just acquired. Boy, was it dirty. There was bird shit on all these keys right here. Couldn't even see the letters. So I just finished cleaning that up. I used some sewing machine oil, and that seems to do good on the some of the places where the grease had hardened. Kind of worried about this section right here and this section over here. Here's the power switch. There's the military number. Okay, I'm going to turn the switch on, see what happens. Well, looks like it's working in an open state. And the selector magnets have the correct ohmage on them. So ready to hook this up somewhere. Okay.